Give me 7 days. Not to manipulate anyone. Reclaim what you abandoned. Your attention, your rhythm, your center. You won't chase. You won't explain. You won't send paragraphs trying to be chosen. You'll let silence say what your speeches never could. This is not punishment. This is order. And order begins inside. Day 1. Detach. Cut the cord. Reclaim the morning. The alarm goes off. For a moment, your hand reaches for the phone the way a drowning man reaches for a rope. Not today. Face down. 10 slow breaths. In through the nose, out through the nose. Shoulders down. Jaw unclenched. Say it softly, so only you can hear it. For 7 days, I match effort, not feelings. For 7 days, I text with purpose or not at all. You open the phone, but not to the inbox. Settings first, message previews, off or thread, muted social apps. Move to a second screen. Focus mode, work, 90 minutes on, 15 off. You step into the bathroom. Cold water to the face. The temperature reminds you, you're awake, you're here, you're in charge of your attention. Breakfast isn't drama. It's protein and a glass of water. You sit with a page and write, what am I? Actually chasing? What do I become when I don't get it? Who am I when I stop asking my phone to tell me my worth? Midday, the pull hits. The thumb wants to check. Breathe. 10 nasal exhales. 20 slow push-ups. Stand by the window for 2 minutes and look far so your eyes remember a distance bigger than a screen. Evening. You clean one surface, desk, counter, nightstand, until it reflects the man you're becoming. You write 8 lines, no more. Where did the urge hit? What did I do instead? What will I do at that exact time tomorrow? If she texts today, you don't rush to answer the way. You used to rush to save yourself from uncertainty. You let the message sit until you are calm and busy. Then one line, warm but brief. Good to hear from you. Hope your week's going well. If she asks to meet, you lead or leave. With 7:30, Alice. If not, no worries. Phone down. Back to your life. If you slip and text first. Note the time, the trigger, the feeling, and self-hate. No spirals, a 24-hour pause. Reset. Day 2. Remove triggers. Make the easy thing the right thing. Order outside gives order inside. You make the bed slowly like you're closing a chapter. You open curtains. Light in the room. Light in the mind. You put the old photos into an archive labeled closed. Not burned. Not worshipped. Closed. Apps that steal hours? Off the home screen. Notifications that aren't logistics? Muted. You write a small policy card and keep in your pocket. I don't text first during the reset. If she reaches out, I respond later, calmly, briefly. I never argue by text. Midday, you build a replacement stack. When itch to scroll hits, 1 page of a book plus 1 glass of water plus a 2-minute walk. Every urge becomes a cue to strengthen you. Tea night you walk without. Music for 20 minutes. Silence feels loud at first. Then it feels like oxygen. If she post-bait, a quote, a memory, a song you used to share, understand what it is. A knock to see if your door still swings open by itself. Yours doesn't. Not anymore. Day 3. Reset the body. State before strategy. You train. Not because muscle will make her come back, but because strength puts your nervous system under new management. 30 to 45 minutes. Simple. Push-pull. Legs. Or a clean bodyweight circuit. Finish with 60 seconds of cold. Not to punish. To wake. Outside for sun on your face, even if it's cloudy. 20 minutes. Hydrate. Protein. Salt. Fiber. Your brain is not separate from your body. A flooded nervous system chases. A regulated one chooses. In the evening, you audit honestly. Did I grab the phone when I felt empty? What emotion preceded the urge? Fear, boredom, jealousy. What will I do at that exact hour tomorrow? If she flakes or sends lukewarm energy, you will not negotiate your dignity. All good. Let's reconnect when your schedule opens up. No pitch, no paragraph. You don't reward chaos with more of you. Day 4. Widen your life, build gravity, not noise. Real options make you calm. Morning, 2 text messages to men you respect. Lift Wed 6. Coffee Friday, 8 a.m. Work Sprint Thursday. Bring your laptop. Book one solo task you've been postponing. Haircut, dentist, passport, car service. Each one says, my life moves with or without anyone's attention. Midday you feed your mind. A chapter, a course module, a skill block. Phone outside the room. Timer on the desk. You work until you feel the strange satisfaction that only completion gives. Evening, if you post, it's progress, not bait. A finished chapter. A clean space. A quiet caption. In a building season. You log off. You go to bed with a book. Not a war in your head. Not if she breadcrumbs. Hey, an emoji. A reaction to your story. You reply later. One line. No hook. Hope your week's smooth. She'll show her intentions with what she does next. You won't drag them out of her with constant prompts. Day 5. Purpose sprint. 2 hours that change your posture. You give your future 2 full hours. Not dreaming. Doing. You define a deliverable before the timer starts. 1 edited scene, point 1 page proposal, point 1 skill learned and applied. Phone in another. Room. Door closed. Body steady. Halfway through, you'll want to check your messages as a treat. You won't. You'll treat yourself with completion, not interruption. When you're done, you write 2 lines and only 2. What did I build today? What will I build tomorrow? You feel different in your back and in your eyes. Not harder, heavier. Heavier men don't blow around in every wind. They set the weather where they stand out. If she reaches out warmly today, you mirror warmth, but you still lead with time. Nice hearing from you. Thursday, 7 works, coffee at Atlas. If she edges twice, maybe we'll... See, I'm busy. You step back calmly, no worries. Another time, you don't confuse availability with affection. Availability is schedule. Affection is investment. You match investment. Day 6, tests and temptations. Hold frame when heat rises. This is where the old you usually returns. Tonight, he doesn't. You start the day with a sentence out loud. Today I respond, I don't react. Short sentences. If it matters, we talk in person. Breath work, box breathing, 4 in, 4 hold, 4 out, 4 hold. 3 rounds that you felt 1,000 storms. This one won't move you. Common tests. Arrive, delayed replies. Your old self, are you mad? Did I do something? Your new self, no stress. Full stop, jealousy bait. Your old self, comment, question, spiral. Your new self, you don't feed the fire. If it's direct, you say, not my vibe. Drama texts. Your old self, essays, defenses, late night court. Your new self, not doing this by text. Happy to talk in person when we're both calm. You've changed. The old self apologizes for growing. The new self, I've been focused. Mixed signals. The old self dances harder when the music is chaotic. The new self, let's try. Another time when we're both free. If the urge ambushes you, you run the 5-minute protocol. 20 breaths, 20 push-ups, a full glass of water, step outside. Eyes on the horizon. Urges are waves. You surf them. You don't drown. If you relapse, double text, over-explain, plead. You write 1 line. I slipped at 8:42. Trigger was boredom plus fear. You add 1 line. Next time, book in hand plus 10 minutes walk. 24-hour quiet windowed, no self-harm. Just correction. Day 7. Baseline, codify the man you decided to be. You've been quiet for a week, and the quiet changed you. You sit with a pen and answer without poetry. 3 things that worked. 2 places you wobbled. 1 trigger that still bites. Then you create policy, sign it, and keep it. 1, I don't text first when emotions are hot. Point 2, that I don't argue by text. Important topics are in person or not at all. Point 3, that interest is matched. Not chase. Point 4, that phone sleeps outside the bedroom. Point 5, point 3, daily non-negotiables. Body, mind. Mission, you protect the environment that protected you. Focus schedules stay. Apps stay off the home screen. Morning stays. Sacred, your bed stays made that if she invites you out now, you can say yes, but you don't. Abandon your baseline to please the moment. You show up on time, present, phone away. You keep the conversation light and real. You in the night without negotiating the relationship over text. Consistency earns access. Confusion reduces it. That if she disappears completely, silence is not empty. It's instruction. You don't chase ghosts. You bless them and keep walking between the days, the parts no one sees. There are minutes in the kitchen where the room gets quiet and the ache shows up like a visitor. You feel it. You don't fight it. You put both palms on the counter, breathe into your belly. And remember, pain is not a command. It's a signal. There are nights when the bed feels too big. You switch the lamp off, not your dignity. You let sleep find you like a tide finds the shore, slow, steady, inevitable. There are mornings when rebellion whispers, just check, just once. You smile at it like a parent smiles at a child testing bedtime. You keep the light off on your phone and the light on in your life, that what she feels and what you don't need to measure at first, nothing. Your consistency has trained her to expect you will bend. Then questions, why isn't he where I left him? Why doesn't his day orbit mine? Did he move? Then tests, breadcrumbs, reactions. Late night, you up. You aren't ice. You're stone warmed by the sun, solid, living with heat that doesn't flicker in every wind. Finally, respect or release. Both are mercy. Point one reveals a partner. The other frees your hands to build what you become, the quiet reward. Your posture changes, not chest out, heart steady. Your voice settles lower, not performative, present. You open your phone later in the day because there are heavier things in your hands now. Weights, books, tools, plans. You stop chasing the flicker of attention and start glowing with the slow burn of direction. You realize you were never trying to win a woman. You were trying to win yourself. The man who can sit in silence without collapsing is the man who is finally free. If you're starting today, type day one in the comments so the brothers know you're in. Hold each other accountable. No sermons, just standards that if you've finished, leave one sentence of advice for the man behind you. Point one sentence can keep a brother from sending the text that sells his dignity for a minute of relief. Like this if you're done. Auditioning for attention. Subscribe for Stoic frameworks. Less drama, more discipline. And answer this in the comments so we can talk. What hour of the day is the hardest for you? And what anchor will you use when it hits? Stand up, phone down. Eyes up. Point 7 days was the start of a standard is forever.